The complaint says that EGLE's decisions to grant permits for this plant caused significant adverse and discriminatory impacts on people living nearby, and that, it says, is a violation of the Civil Rights Act.
I don't think it would be done anywhere else other than a low-income community that's full of black people. I'm just going to say it flat out.
And Robert Shobe is not the only one to come to that conclusion. The Great Lakes Environmental Law Center filed a civil rights complaint with the EPA against EGLE, the state's Department of Environment, Great Lakes and Energy, for approving an emissions permit for the Stellantis complex expansion back in 2019. Detroiters like Shobe have long complained of odors and emissions from the plant. His home of 24 years backs up to it.
It's like you're a prisoner in your own home.
Tanisha Burton says the odors and emissions have impacted their properties and their health.
So I get tightness of the chest. I thought it was the asthma, but it wasn't. Just me getting tightness, like breathing this fumes in. I get, like I said, migraine headaches. I take prevention medicines now.
The reality is that this facility is surrounded by a community that's made up of 98% African Americans and predominantly folks that are low income. They're also folks that have a much higher rate of asthma than almost anywhere else in the state.
A spokeswoman for EGLE says they're reviewing the complaint and to have no further comment at this time. EGLE has noted several emissions violations at the Stellantis plant this year. On Monday, State Senator Stephanie Chang, along with Congresswoman Rashida Tlaib and Councilmember-elect Letitia Johnson, sent a letter to EGLE urging it find Stellantis and have the automaker fund a relocation program for residents wanting to move out and a home repair program for those who want to stay. The Great Lakes Environmental Law Center is demanding the same.
Residents that we've spoken to, two of which are complainants in this complaint that we filed with the EPA, don't feel comfortable living in their homes anymore.
All right, guys, the group behind the complaint says that if EGLE is found to have discriminated against those residents, then the EPA could pull funding from it or get the Department of Justice involved. Stellantis is not commenting on the matter. EGLE set up a hotline in which people can report emergency environmental concerns. That information is on our website, fox2detroit.com. Huel, Monica.
All right, Randy, thank you for that live report.